My name is Haidy. I am senior student in grade 12 at El-Massria American School. First of all, what is stress? Stress is the feeling of emotional and physical tension. It also considers body response of that demand or threats. Stress have two types. First, acute stress. Second, chronic stress. Acute stress is short stress that goes away quickly. For example, when you press the brake of the car suddenly, or when you fight someone. Chronic stress, it stays for a long time. It could be weeks, months, or years. For example, money problems, family problems, or work problems. There are many causes of stress. First, when you have lots of duties. Second, when you are worried about something to happen. Third, when you have negative energy and thoughts about life. Fourth, when you have problem in the family and you can't manage them. Fifth, when you have low self-confidence. School stress. When you have lots of assignments, you can't even take your press. When you have quiz or exam and get low mark, you start to be sad and stressed. When you work hard and don't get what you deserve, instead you get negative feedback. For us as senior students, SAT scores are very stressful. Your score that you need to achieve your dream college. Effects of stress: depression and anxiety, sleep problems, weight problems, heart disease. Sometimes when you have high stress, thinking and memory problems. How to handle stress? Do some sports, communicate with others and have fun. Learn how to relax and do some yoga. Try to not think too much and try to use your senses, like listening to music, playing sports, or cooking. Be close to your God and do your prayers. Eat healthy food. Organize your time and make plans. Thank you.